I'm Peter Battaglia with Marquette University's Companions in Ministry program, and I'm here with Janine O'Neill, the Compassionate Widow, and we are beginning to partner on several different initiatives with the program here at Marquette for pastors and faith leaders in the Milwaukee area and Southeast Wisconsin. The first thing that we're partnering on is the Restored Women's Leadership Conference. It's going to be September 19th at Discover Church in Oak Creek. We'll be sending more information, but we wanted to invite female colleagues, faith leaders, business leaders, clergy, ministry leaders, nonprofit leaders. If you're a female Christian leader in this area, we want you to come to this event. Janine, I want you to just share with us, what is this conference about?
Well, this conference is truly about restoration. Many of us have been through a lot of things in life, challenges that only you know, whether it's in the workplace, in the home, in the community. There's some things that you might just need some guidance or some love or some support behind, right? And we're here to offer that restoration so that you can go out into the community and restore others. This is about what you need, but also equipping you to serve others. We are looking forward to seeing you all on Saturday, September 19th. It will be in Oak Creek, and more information is coming very, very soon.
Restored by God, equipped for purpose, sent to impact. Restored, God's power to restore, God's power for hope. God's power for faith, purpose and community, bringing women together.